Good afternoon, everybody. Jeff here from Outdoor Adventures Canada. That's right, education for the great outdoors. And well, as you can tell, we're outside. It's not the brightest and sunniest of days, but a little bit of snow falling. But we're out here. We're checking out ice conditions north of Winnipeg, between end of Main Street, or OEM, as most people know it. We're checking out Breezy Point, the float plane base north of Selkirk, FPB. Those of you also know it as that. We also checked out Sill Road, or CIL Road, and Lockport. So those are kind of the natural villages and the ice fishing villages that pop up. So what we've done is we went to end of Main, and there's a nice little village that's starting. Also here at Breezy Point, you can see some shacks back in there. And let me just turn around here. You can see some here. Now, the ice conditions right now, you're looking at about 8 inches, maybe 10 in some places. But everywhere I go right now, today is December 17th, there's no vehicles on the ice. You might get the odd quad, or I haven't even seen any side-by-sides, but I've seen quads. I haven't seen any sleds either. So the ice is actually safe enough to go out, set your pop-up, or just fish, just open like there's some people doing. The end of Main is closer to Lake Winnipeg, so it's further north to Winnipeg, so the ice is probably going to be a little bit thicker there. And then it's going to work its way south. End of Main, Breezy Point, Floatplane Base, Sill Road, and then Lockport. We went to Lockport. That's where we started. There was nobody. I mean, 0 people. So that tells me the ice is still pretty thin there. We went to Sill Road, which is next. Probably about a dozen pop-up shacks. But again, no vehicles. Everybody is all parked off to the side and wherever they can park, but they haven't actually gone onto the ice yet, which is a smart thing. Because we've kind of had some really warm weather this winter so far. So the ice is formed, and then it got warm, and so it broke up, and now it's got to reform again. The nice thing is we haven't had a lot of snow, so there's not a lot of drifting. There's not a lot of insulation on the ice, so it is having a good chance to form up. So that kind of tells me that we're getting close. Our goal is to head out Boxing Day for our first outing to test out our new ice camper. If you haven't seen those videos of the ice camper, be sure to go back and check those out. I'm proud of it. It turned out really good. So like I said, Boxing Day, we're hoping the ice is going to be a minimum 16 inches. And then we can get the vehicles out on the ice. But so far, December 17th, no vehicles. We've got quads, and we've got people walking out, setting up their pop-ups. So we know the ice is forming. We know it's getting safe. So as we go along this winter, we'll keep you guys posted. And so that's where we're at right now. All right, guys. Hope you learned something. We'll see you later.